Today, let's have a reading practice using transportation. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Helicopter. Train. This is a train. Train. Plane. This is a plane. Plane. Submarine. This is a submarine. Submarine. Boat. This is a boat. Boat. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. Ambulance. Car. This is a car. Car. Taxi. This is a taxi. Taxi. Truck. This is a truck. Truck. Police car. This is a police car. Police car. Bus. This is a bus. Bus. Car. This is a car. Car. Van. This is a van. Van. Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Fire truck. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Rover. This is a rover. Rover. Tractor. This is a tractor. Tractor. Rocket. This is a rocket. Rocket. Ship. This is a ship. Ship. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Bicycle. Airplane. This is an airplane. Airplane. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Dump truck. Parachute. This is a parachute. Parachute.
Watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.